Greetings, YouTube fans. I'm going to talk to you today about installing Windows 2008 R2 Server. First, open up your favorite browser. Go to google.com perhaps, and then just type in Windows 2008 R2. You're going to scroll down, and it's going to say download Windows Server 2008 R2. Evaluation 180 days. You're going to select your desired language, and then continue. It's going to prompt you to save an ISO file. So you're going to need some software, probably infra recorder to download this, and then once you download it, save it to your desktop, burn it onto a CD, and then put that CD into your computer or whatever device, maybe it's VirtualBox, VMware, whatever, and then start from there. So let's assume you've put your CD in your computer and you've started your machine. It's going to come up with something similar to this, noting, hey, you're installing Windows 2008 R2 Server. Let's get started. First thing comes up, language to install, time and currency, and keyboard. We're going to leave it all those default. Click next. Install now. You can also do you want to repair your computer. Say your Windows 2008 R2 server is corrupt, or you need repairing it. You do that here. We're going to install it. So what it's doing now is just probably looking at what drives you have. And now you can do a couple of different things. You get the standard edition, you have the server core, you have the what we're going to do is install the R2 Enterprise. Just a little note, if you want to install the server core installation, that is a command line, and I'll have a different video for that. So just we'll do that next. Accept the user agreement, and you can, like I said, if you have Windows 2003, you're going to upgrade. If you have a fresh copy, click Custom Advanced. Now here's where you want to install it at. So if you had multiple drives, let's say, whatever, you could partition them out, and we're going to leave the defaults here, 60 gig. So this is going to go a while, and we'll come back when it's done. You're going to see copy window file. It takes about probably, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 minutes, something like that. We'll come back when it's done. Now preparing your computer for the first time you're going to use it. Okay, usually what happens is when you install, and it's going to prompt you to change your password. So we'll put password in anything. Doesn't matter what it is. Okay. Yep. Password's changed. So now it's just preparing to install everything. First thing you want to do is enable yourself to remote into it. So we'll do this so that you can remotely administer it. So let's see, get the buttons here. Okay, so just right click on my computer or computer properties, and you're going to remote settings, click on that, and allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. So then click apply, and OK. Next thing you want to do is really, a lot of everything really revolves around .NET. So we're going to install .NET. So the simplest, easiest way I know how to do it, click on Start, and Administrative Tools. You're going to find Server Manager. And so under Features, Windows.NET is a feature. Typically, anything you install, SQL, SharePoint, anything like that, is going to require you to have features installed. .NET typically. And this is it, .NET. So just click on that. Come down. Next. It's going to ask you, are you sure, whatever, yeah, blah, 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 etc., etc. And it's installing some of the .NET features. So sometimes you may have to download like 4.5. I think we're on 4.5 now, .NET. And so most everything goes up with .NET. If you install and make this an Active Directory server, it's going to use .NET. So everything is pretty much off .NET in this regard. And now we're ready to just install software. So this concludes this video of getting your Windows server built and ready. And the next couple of videos will be about installing SQL, installing other things on this Windows server. Thank you, and thank you for watching.